Stevie Stapler. We're in for a good day today. Gerald, you are the man. Thanks, Stevie. Right. Ooh, first customer. Please, come in. Hello, my name is Gerald Harvey. I'm the junior claims assistant here. Please, take a seat. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm the mayor of Gaza, and I'm here to make a claim.
What is the claim for?
The gates of Gaza.
The gates of Gaza?
Yes, the gates of Gaza. The city has no gates.
Oh, rightio. So where have these gates gone?
Samson just came along and just took off with them.
Well, is he going to bring them back?
It doesn't appear likely. He was just full of the Spirit and took them.
What does that mean?
All I know is God told him to take the gates, and he did. I guess you can call it an act of God.
An act of God? I think that's in our policy. Yeah, look, here it is. Act of God. Who would have believed it, eh? Well, I think we might be able to do something with your claim. I'll just put it here in this new tray, and I'll get right back to you, your mayor and SS. Hi, welcome to the office.
You, Joe?
I assume you're here to make a claim.
Yes, well you see, my husband, Job, managed to lose a house and all our contents.
It wasn't my fault.
So I just need to know exactly what did you lose?
Everything. Everything, Job.
So you lost everything. Can you tell me about that?
Job, how about you explain it?
The Lord gives and the Lord takes away. Whatever he has taken, I will remain faithful.
So you're saying this was an act of God? That's in our policy. I've now got a tray for that.
Hi, I'm Lot, and this is my daughter, and we're here to make a claim on Persian rugs.
Oh, Persian rugs. I do love Persian rugs. Well, this would be a simple claim. It'll come under household content. Could you tell me what happened to these Persian rugs that came to their demise?
Well, you might have heard about the recent happenings in Sodom and Gomorrah.
Oh yes, a terrible tragedy. Just everyone and everything gone. I couldn't believe it. It was such a simple. Hang on a minute. Everything and everyone?
Well, we did get a bit of help getting out. God might have brought down the raining fire, but he also sent some angels to get us out.
Oh no! Yes, please, come in.
Hi, I'm Gideon, and I'm here to make a claim on a fleece that got wet.
You what? A fleece?
Look, I know what it sounds like, but God really did pull through on me.
Oh no! Next!
I'm here to claim the loss of one coin.
No.
I'm here to claim the loss of one sheep.
No.
My name is Jezebel, and I'm here to claim the loss of 850 priests of Baal and Asherah that Elijah took out.
No.
I'm Goliath's brother. Do you guys do Giants coverage?
No! Gerald, I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Let's get some lunch. I feel like pie. Oh, welcome to the claims department. My name is... doesn't matter what my name is. How can I help you?
I'm Moses, and I'm here to make a...
Just give me the form. So, you're here to make a claim on the 10 Commandments?
Yes, they kind of got accidentally broken.
Okay, and how did this happen?
Well, I may or may not have accidentally let them slip from my hands.
Really?
Well, would you believe I tried?
So you're telling me you don't know how they were broken? You kidding me? Do you realise the day I've had already?
Look, I get what it sounds like. It's just the 10 Commandments are very precious.
Okay. How much are we talking?
priceless. They're handwritten by God.
So?
They're an act of God.
Next! Moses. How can I help you?
I'm Lazarus, and I'm here to claim on life insurance.
Oh, good. And for who?
Myself.
But you're here.
But I died.
But you're here.
But I died.
And now you're here.
And I died.
Here.
Died.
Here.
Died.
Here.
Died.
Here.
Died.
Here.
Died.
But you're here.
And I died.
Fine. You're dead.
And now I'm here.
Maureen! Can I have a hot coffee, please? This is going to be a while. Here!
Died.
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 How can I help you?
I'm here to claim on some chariots I lost in the Red Sea. Unfortunately, I didn't quite finish the paperwork on the men and horses as well, but I was hoping we could work a way around that. I mean, they were attached to the chariots at the time, so I was kind of thinking the men and horses could kind of be like accessories to the chariots.
And what name is this under?
Well, mine. The Pharaoh of Egypt.
Are you kidding me? Do you realise the last hour I've just had?
Do you realize last month that I've had?
Oh, whatever.
This isn't very professional. Do you not know who I am?
No, I don't. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I'm the Pharaoh of Egypt.
The Pharaoh of Egypt is not going to come and do the paperwork on his own claim form. Nice try.
Look, there was this guy Moses.
Moses again?
Look, Moses took my whole insurance admin team when he left Egypt. I didn't know it wasn't wise to make my whole insurance team Israelites. So now I have to come here and do this myself. If it wasn't for Moses and his God, I wouldn't be here right now.
Gerald, look at those posters. There's some mighty fine looking cats on there. They've got a good message for you. You need to listen. You need to listen good. You need to hang in there.
No, you tell
I
him.
am tired.
You tell him.
You just tell him.
Just tell him. Tell him.
How can I help you?
Hi, I'm Shem. This is my wife. And you know Noah and the flood and how it was really, really tough on everyone. Well, we're here to claim the whole world.
Of course you are.
Because it was
Let
an
me guess.
act of God.
Next!
Oh, busy day, busy day. More people. How can I help you?
Bonjour.
Hola.
Oh, please take a seat.
See,
Oh, yeah, I see this is a claim.
Oui.
We what?
Oui.
We?
Oui. Croissants.
Oh, okay, this seems to be in a language I don't quite understand. Something about the Tower of Babel and unfinished contract work.
Bourgeois. Chauffeur. Chic. Cologne. Déjà vu.
no. Oro. Mosquito. Armadillo. Macarena. Despacito. Quesadilla. Bronco.
You what?
Oui.
Act of God? I'm gonna have to ask you to leave before I completely lose it. Adios!
Au revoir.
The temple curtain tore from the top to the bottom when Jesus died. It was a very, very expensive curtain. It can only be an act of God.
Oh. Somebody's in the room, Gerald. Chin up.
Hi, I'm Miriam. I'm here to claim health insurance in a recent bout of leprosy.
Oh, leprosy. Oh, that's itchy. I mean, unfortunate.
Do you have your claims form?
Yes, I do. Let me just find that for you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks.
Why are you scratching?
I'm not scratching.
Please stop scratching. It's really inappropriate.
Can you tell me how this happened?
Well, you see, I opposed my brother Moses and tried to take over from him.
And he gave you leprosy?
No, God did.
Oh, Moses again? And God again?
It was an act of God.
Oh. Next! Oh. I just don't get it, Jonah.
I had tickets to go that way, and then I got thrown off the ship and went that way. So I'm here to claim travel insurance on tickets not used.
Okay, well, it's certainly something I could sort out, but I just don't understand how you managed to get that way.
A big, big fish.
Sounds like you had a whale of a time. I did there.
Look, it was not a fun experience. Seriously, I was swallowed by a big fish and then thrown up 3 days later.
Well, I'm sorry it didn't go swimmingly.
Are you making fun of me?
No, of course not. It's just that, your claims form, it smells a little fishy.
Not cool, man.
Oh, don't be a cold fish.
Look, I just kind of feel like...
A fish out of water?
No.
A big fish in a small pond.
Oh, is there someone else I can see about this claim?
Look, I understand. There's plenty of other fish in the sea, but what you have to understand about this claim is that it's a big kettle of fish to take.
Do you not trust me?
Are you fishing for compliments?
Oh, this is so inappropriate.
Sounds about right for the kind of day I've been having.
How would you like it if God told you to do something and you chose to run away and he pulls you right back into his plan?
Now we come to the end of the line, and look what we've reeled in. So you're basically telling me this is...
An act of God.
You'll be alright, Gerald. Remember, you're the man. I love you, Gerald. Thanks, Stevie.
Look, I'm really sorry. I just can't seem to get through to the branch at Jericho to verify your insurance claim. You did have the policy with the branch of Jericho, right, Rahab?
Yes, that's correct.
Excellent. There's certainly a claim that I can do something about.
But as I mentioned, you probably aren't going to get through to them.
Oh, look, I'm sorry about our insurance company. Our customer service is renowned for its poor service, and it can be a long time to get through to a representative, but...
The branch actually has to be there for you to get through to them.
Oh, yeah, of course. What does the dial tone beep, 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 beep mean?
Probably that Jericho is no longer there for you to get through to.
Look, I hate to ask, but how did your house actually get destroyed?
The Israelites, they marched around the city 7 times, they blew their trumpets,
Don't tell me.
and the walls fell down.
Because...
Their God was with them.
I had 2,000 pigs, and then Jesus comes along and just heals this crazy dude. And then something happens to my pigs, and they just run off the cliff.
I attended the scene, but there was nothing further that I could do.
You did a really good job.
I didn't become a vet just to see that many animals harmed.
I really thought you were going to save a few with the mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.
I tried.
You did your best, but it wasn't your fault. Jesus did this. You can't blame yourself for an act of God.
It's been a tiring first day.
can see that.
What are you doing here?
I'm Jesus and I just wanted to pop in and see how you're doing.
Jesus, Son of God Jesus, actually claims to be God Jesus.
That's right. God, Jesus, you get it.
But these claims, these are yours.
What are these, Gerald?
Claims for acts of God. That's your job, right?
It is.
In fact, whilst you're here, here's a bill for your works. Comes to about $147 trillion. If you could write out a cheque, that would be great.
But I've already paid for each one of these. Jonah, Rahab, Miriam, Shem, Moses.
Don't get me started on Moses.
I'm sorry, but I've already paid for these.
Where's the cheque?
No, Gerald. I paid this way. This is the greatest act of God.
How does that pay for all the claims?
Every act of God throughout history reveals a God who loves, a God who cares, a God who moves to protect his people. Every act of God points people to hope, salvation, and healing. I'm sorry if that important task creates more administrative hassles for you. Do you understand?
I think so.
Look, how about I help you process these claims? That's the least I can do.
Oh, that would be great.
Did you want me to call Moses back in to help with these?
Don't push it. Call my wife, tell her I might not be home tonight.
Swallowed by a big fish.
Swallowed by a big fish. Sorry, it didn't go swimmingly.
Oh, I see what you did there.
What?
Oh, Gerald, you can't wait for it to be the end of the day so you can have your apples and pie. You love your pie, don't you? Yes, you love your pie.
I feel like pie. Do you like pie? Of course you like pie. Let's go. Moses. Every time I hear that word, I want to hit something. Hey, Gerald, get me some pie.